Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today, August 5th, we are covering the top 5 Indian stocks making the biggest moves across IT and technology, FMCG, banking and financials, auto, pharma, one standout name from each sector. Let us break down today's biggest sector movers, one at a time. First up in IT and technology. Infosys made a dramatic move today, surged plus 4.42% to 1,180 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by India's Infosys forecasts weak revenue growth as RA-driven caution dents its spending. Operating margin trajectory toward the 19 to 21% target is back on track. The risk is North America financial services softness. Any new large deal announcement, particularly in European manufacturing, would be a meaningful catalyst given the diversification it signals. Moving to FMCG. ITC is up plus 2.85%, trading at 289 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that NASDAQ stabilizes as earnings validate RE trade station. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for ITC sits around 306.34 Indian rupees. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. Moving to banking and financials. Axis Bank is up plus 2.63%. Trading at 1,261.80 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that RBI seen holding rate as India inflation risks stay in focus. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Axis Bank sits around 1,337.51 Indian rupees. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. Moving to auto. Tata Motors is up plus 2.59%, trading at 348.55 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that NASDAQ stabilizes as earnings validate RE trade station. Jaguar Land Rover order bank and production volumes are the earnings swing factor. Range Rover and Defender remain sold out in key markets, which is a strong near-term pricing signal. JLR balance sheet deleveraging is ahead of schedule. Watch for any semiconductor supply update that could unlock further production. Moving to pharma. Dr. Reddy's is up plus 2.13%, trading at 1,172.60 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that NASDAQ stabilizes as earnings validate RE trade station. The near-term technical picture for Dr. Reddy's looks constructive. Watch the 1,219.50 Indian rupees level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. Now let us zoom out to the broader macro picture for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 95.37, which matters for import and export-heavy sectors alike. Foreign institutional investor flows remain the key swing factor for Indian equities in the sessions ahead. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is today's top 5 Indian stocks from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily sector-wise coverage of Indian and global markets.